want you to be happy when someone.
Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Stepping Stone Tutorials. A very big thank you to all my viewers for supporting and subscribing to my channel. I look forward for your cooperation and support in future. Those who have not subscribed yet, kindly do the same by clicking on the bell button so that you get timely notification of my other videos, new videos that will be coming up. Dear students, this is the second video in continuation of my earlier one on chapter Electricity, class 10 Science. Those who have missed out the first video, I have shared the link in the description box. Please do go back and watch it. Okay, in my first video I explained few concepts, charge and potential difference. Now here we will try to solve some numericals on these topics so that your concepts are further cleared. So here is problem number 1. Calculate the number of electrons constituting one coulomb of charge. Okay, we know that one electron carries a charge of 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Now what we have to find in this problem, we have to find if the charge is 1 coulomb, then how many electrons there will be. We have to find how many electrons. So we will follow unitary method. So we know that when the charge is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, then there are 1 electron. I'll use the symbol of electron. Okay. So 1 charge will carry how many electron? Follow unitary method. 1 divided by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. These many electrons. The rest is all calculation. So I'll make it easy for you. Show you the calculation. 1 by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 will become what? It will become plus 19, right? Next, 1.6 से we will remove the decimal, so it will become 16. तो ऊपर क्या हो जाएगा? It will be 10, right? Now what is, if you divide 10 by 16, you will get, the value comes approximately 0.625 into 10 to the power 19. Now what we will do, we will write in standard form. How do you write in standard form? Decimals. You put the decimal after one digit. So after 6 we will put the digit. We'll put the decimal. So we will write 6.25. Then 10 to the power 19 क्या बन जाएगा? 10 to the power 19 will become 18 because we have multiplied by 10, right? इसको multiply कर दिया 10 से. Then it becomes 6.25. So 10 to the power 19 बन गया 10 to the power 18. So these many electrons. So one charge, when the charge is 1, then number of electrons is 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 electrons. Okay, now we can note it down, not from here obviously. I'll show you the proper solution. So students, I hope you understood the problem. You can note the steps of the solution of this problem from here. Okay, now we have another problem, problem number 2. How much energy is given to each coulomb of charge passing through a 6-volt battery? Okay, so first we will see what are given in this problem. So we are given each coulomb of charge, means charge is 1 coulomb. So charge is represented by Q, charge is 1 coulomb, and also we are given potential difference. How much is the potential difference? 6 volts. So V means potential difference is 6V. We have to find energy. Energy is actually equivalent to work done, right? So we have to find energy or work done. This is what we need to find. Okay, so we have learned that potential difference. What is potential difference? Potential difference is actually work by charge, right? So V, potential difference, is equal to W by Q. Now what is V? How much is V? 6. Energy or work we have to find out, and Q is 1. So 6 into 1 is equal to W. So how much is work done? Work done is 6 joule. What is the unit of work? SI unit of work done? Joule. So work done or energy is how much? 6 joule. So students, I hope you understood the solution to problem number 2. You can pause the video and note down the steps of the solution from here. Okay, the next topic is electric current. What do you mean by electric current, and when does a electric current flow? When there is a potential difference between the two ends of a wire, then we know that charges flow from one end to the other. This flow of charges in the wire constitutes an electric current. Here are some bullet points regarding electric current. Please pause the video and note it down. Current is equal to, mathematically equal to, charge by time. I is equal to Q by T. Please note the SI unit of electric current is ampere, denoted by capital A. How do you measure electric current in a circuit? With the help of an instrument called ammeter, which is always connected in series in the circuit. You can see a diagram of ammeter here. Okay, so now you know that current flows due to potential difference between 2 points. Here in this diagram you can see that the bulb is attached to the two ends of a battery. Due to the chemical reactions going inside the cell or the battery, a potential difference is maintained between its terminals. This potential difference causes the electric current to flow through the copper wires and the bulb, due to which the bulb lights up. Students, you can see in this diagram it is mentioned conventional current flow. So what does this word conventional means in this scenario? There are actually two ways of looking at DC current flow, but engineers traditionally say it flows from the positive terminal to the negative terminal, and this flow from positive to negative is called conventional flow of current. Okay, so don't get confused when you get the word conventional current flow in your books or in any reference paper. Fine. Now since you know all about electric current, we will try to solve a numerical on electric current. An electric bulb draws a current of 0.25 ampere for 20 minutes. Calculate the amount of electric charge that flows through the circuit. Okay, now in this problem, what are the given terms? We have been given the current. Current I is 0.25 ampere. Charge Q, we have to find it out, and the duration for which the current flows is 20 minutes. Now 20 minutes we have to convert in SI unit. So 20 into 60 seconds is 1200 seconds. Now we know that I is equal to Q by T. So I is 0.25, Q is unknown, and T is 1200. Just put these values and we will follow. Just need to calculate the value of Q. The rest is simple calculation. So Q is 300, unit is coulomb. I hope you understood the solution to this problem. You can pause the video and note down the solution to this numerical. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Thank you.